In the ever-evolving landscape of IT management, efficiency and precision are paramount. Enter the MS Tenant Discovery Tool, a groundbreaking solution developed by AGMP Consulting, designed specifically for IT administrators navigating the complexities of Microsoft 365 environments. The tool stands out as a beacon of innovation, streamlining the often cumbersome process of data collection into a seamless automated experience. The primary purpose of the MS Tenant Discovery Tool is to assist IT administrators in gathering valuable information about their Microsoft 365 environments without the tedious manual navigation through various admin centers. Traditionally, administrators would have to sift through multiple platforms, each with its own interface and data presentation, leading to inefficiencies and potential oversights. The MS Tenant Discovery Tool revolutionizes this process by employing an automated PowerShell script that consolidates data collection into a single, user-friendly Excel report. This means no more jumping between tabs, no more lost time, and a significant reduction in the chance of human error. At the heart of the tool are its key features and benefits, all designed to enhance the user experience and provide comprehensive insights. The tool offers detailed reporting on user accounts, mailboxes, SharePoint sites, team structures, and much more. This level of detail is crucial for IT administrators who need to maintain oversight of their digital environments, ensuring compliance, security, and optimal performance. By providing a holistic view of the Microsoft 365 tenant, the tool empowers administrators to make informed decisions that can significantly impact their organization's productivity and efficiency. One of the standout advantages of the MS Tenant Discovery Tool is its time-saving automation. The automated PowerShell script runs in the background, allowing administrators to focus on higher-level tasks rather than getting bogged down in data collection. This automation is not just about saving time. It's about reallocating valuable resources to strategic initiatives that drive business growth. The centralized output in the form of an Excel report means that all relevant information is at the administrator's fingertips, ready for analysis or presentation. Moreover, the tool's modular design allows for flexible configuration options, catering to the diverse needs of various organizations. Administrators can customize the data they wish to collect, tailoring the tool to suit their specific requirements. This flexibility ensures that whether an organization is small or large, the MS Tenant Discovery Tool can adapt to fit its unique structure and needs, making it an invaluable asset in any IT arsenal. Using the MS Tenant Discovery Tool is straightforward, making it accessible even to those who may not be deeply familiar with PowerShell. Before diving in, users need to meet a few prerequisites: a valid Microsoft 365 tenant, appropriate administrative permissions, and PowerShell installed on their system. Once these requirements are met, users can proceed to configure the tool. What are you waiting for? Email us at contact@cgmipconsulting.com to get your free copy of the tool. We will share comprehensive documentation along with the tool. This documentation provides step-by-step guidance, ensuring that even those new to PowerShell can navigate the setup process with confidence. After configuration, executing the script is a simple matter of running it in the PowerShell environment. The script then gathers data from the Microsoft 365 tenant, compiling it into a neatly organized Excel report. The resulting Excel report is a treasure trove of information, featuring organized sections that cover all aspects of the Microsoft 365 environment. Administrators can quickly access insights into user account statuses, mailbox configurations, SharePoint site details, and team structures, all in one place. This consolidated view not only saves time, but also enhances the ability to analyze trends, identify issues, and plan for future needs. AGMP Consulting is deeply committed to supporting users of the MS Tenant Discovery Tool. The company understands that the technology landscape is constantly changing, and with it, the needs of IT administrators. Therefore, AGMP Consulting is dedicated to continuous improvement of the tool, regularly updating it to incorporate user feedback and adapt to the latest Microsoft 365 features and best practices. Users are encouraged to share their experiences, suggestions, or any challenges they encounter. This feedback loop is invaluable, ensuring that the tool evolves in line with user needs and industry developments. For those seeking assistance or additional resources, AGMP Consulting provides a wealth of information on their website, including tutorials, FAQs, and contact information for direct support. In conclusion, the MS Tenant Discovery Tool by AGMP Consulting is more than just a data collection utility. It is a transformative resource for IT administrators. By automating the data gathering process and consolidating information into a user-friendly format, the tool saves time, reduces complexity, and enhances decision-making capabilities. With its modular design and flexible configuration options, it meets the diverse needs of organizations, empowering them to manage their Microsoft 365 environments more effectively. As organizations continue to embrace digital transformation, tools like the MS Tenant Discovery Tool will be essential in navigating the intricacies of modern IT landscapes. AGMP Consulting invites all users to explore the tool, leverage its capabilities, and share their experiences. Together, we can optimize Microsoft 365 management efforts and drive greater success in our digital endeavors.